Welcome to our channel Dr. Bala's Chemistry. I am Dr. Bala. Today we are going to talk about the very important topic, and that is previous 10 years CBSE board chemistry questions part 37, in which we are going to talk about amines. This is very important one. So in which amines we are going to talk about. Okay, right. The first question is basic strength. So just they are given some compounds to you. So you have to identify the basic strength of this series, whether it is increasing order asking or decreasing order asking, whatever it may be they asking. You just listen and you just find out what are all the questions they asked. Okay. First of all, you have to identify what is that basic strength. So what do you mean by base? Here on that nitrogen, it has lone pair of electron in all the case. Okay, this is the very much responsible for the basicity. So if the nitrogen wants to release its electron, so that time it will be act as a base. When it will release electron, if it has electron, it can easily donate. So after donation, it should get the electron density or electron cloud on nitrogen should be maintained. That can be maintained by, here one methyl group is there, here there is no methyl group is there. So here methyl group is nothing but electron. This methyl group is electron donating group. Are you able to understand? This methyl group is electron donating group, but phenyl group is electron withdrawing group. Okay. Now this methyl group is nothing but electron donor. So that is what it can easily maintain the nitrogen electron cloud. Okay, so here one methyl group is there, here two methyl group is there, here there is no methyl group is there. Are you able to understand? Here this plays a first position, more basic in nature, and this is somewhat less basic when compared to this one, and this was the least basic. Okay, so I'm giving the decreasing order. So here is nothing but, so more basic, less basic, then least basic. Are you able to understand, students? Very much important. Say for example, another example you can see. See here also the same thing. That is phenyl group is there. Just look at what all the difference between these two groups. So here it is 1 degree amine, here 1 degree amine, here 2 degree amine. Okay. Now we have to compare what are all the difference between this thing. So here one methyl group is there. That is electron donating group is there, and one phenyl group is there, electron withdrawing group. But here only electron withdrawing group is there. That's what this will be in, definitely in third position. Okay. Now we can fix it. In these two, which one will act as a more basic one? Because here has the electron donating group, but the thing is, when compared to these, here also the nitrogen density should maintain. Okay, that can be maintained by electron donating group. Now here the electron donating group will maintain the electron cloud of nitrogen. So then only it can act as a strong base. Okay. But in this case, here you just look at the nitrogen is directly attached with the benzene ring. The nitrogen is directly attached with the benzene ring. The electrons are delocalized with the benzene ring also. Okay. Even though it has attached with the methyl group, the nitrogen is directly attached to the benzene ring. But in this case, it will be a aliphatic amine. The nitrogen group is directly attached with the alkyl group. That's what this has more basic when compared to this one. As we know that this here there is no electron donating group is there in this case. That's what it will be a least one. I think so you understand very well. Our next question is, arrange the basic strength in aqueous solution. And aqueous solution there will be a basicity will changes. So in what way it changes? You just look at, in aqueous solution, the steric hindrance will play a very important role. So as we know that the basic strength is nothing but the maintenance of electron cloud on nitrogen. Okay. In this case, 3 methyl groups are there. As we assume that more basic will be here. Okay. But due to steric hindrance, which will not able to allow the nitrogen to attack. Okay, because both all the in 3 spaces 1, 2, 3, because 3 groups are there. So which will not allow to donate the electrons. That's what, if it not donates, it will be less basic. Okay, in this case, so you have to find out the degree. So it is a 1 degree. This is 3 degree and this is 2 degree. According to that, so 2 degree will have 2 methyl groups. So it has strong electron donating capacity, and this one will be second position, and this one will be a third position. Due to steric hindrance, the basicity level will decreases. Are you able to understand? The same order will be followed here also. So here the 2 degree. So we have to find out that NH2 is there. That's what 2 degree. NH is there. That's what NH2 is there 1 degree. NH is there 2 degree. Only N is there. That is 3 degree. This is also 1 degree. So now we can, this is ammonia. This is the least basic, because there is no hydrogen will be replaced by these methyl groups. Okay, if one hydrogen is replaced in ammonia, instead of one hydrogen, one methyl group is there. That's what it is strong base, because the electron cloud will be maintained by this methyl group. Here 2 methyl group is there. Here 3 methyl group is there. But the thing is, in aqueous solution they asked. In aqueous solution, it doesn't form, what is that? According to plus I effect, it may be very strong base. But in this case, according to aqueous solution, it because of the steric hindrance, it does not able to form a bond with water. So that it does not able to donate very easily. So that 2 degree will be in a first one, 1 degree will be in a second one, and 3 degree will be in a third one, and fourth one will be a ammonia. So this is a more basic nature, then less basic, and least basic. Are you able to understand, students? Are you able to understand? In aqueous solution, if they ask, you have to write like this. And the next question is, state the reason. pKb of aniline is more than that of ethanamine. So first of all, we have to go into this. We have to understand what is pKb and what is Kb. Kb is nothing but directly proportional to basicity. Once the Kb is high, the basicity will be very high. If pKb, they are given more pKb. If pKb is inversely proportional to basicity, that means it is less basic. As we know that concept, because here electron NH2 group is attached with electron withdrawing group. Here phenyl ring is electron withdrawing group, but here it is electron donating group. Okay, that is what the nitrogen, the electron density will be maintained by this donating group, but here the ring is getting the nitrogen electron getting delocalized in the ring itself. That's what, or the ring will pulls the electrons of nitrogen, so that it decreases the electron density on nitrogen. That is what will be least basic. That is what it has high pKb. Okay, if it has a high pKb, it will be less basic. It is a less basic. Are you able to understand, students? And here it is more basic. More basic. Are you able to understand? It's very, very important concept. You have to keep it in mind. Kb as well as pKb. So what is the Kb is directly proportional to basicity, and pKb is inversely proportional to basicity. You have to keep it in mind, then only you can able to answer for this. Are you able to understand? Thank you so much for watching. Please go forward to others to get benefit, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to put a like to this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you for learning. Share and like this video.